Okay, so here we have the Relac. It's called a 50 pieces land and skid gear frame anti-vibration M3 sponge for ZMR 250 QAV 250 210 RC drone FPV racing black. So it's quite a mouthful, but what you effectively get for £3.15, the current Banggood price, is a pack of 50 foam feet like this. And the idea is that this peels off, and then you stick it to the bottom of your drone on the ends of your arms of your quad, like so. And then it means when you come to put your quad down to take off or land, you're not going to scratch the bottom of your frame. And well, what can I say about these? They're quite thick, quite hard in terms of the, you know, the stiffness of the material, and you're going to rip one off occasionally, but yeah, I mean, for the money, £3.15 for 50, you know, it's they're not expensive, guys. So protect your frame, just do it.